Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study a very interesting and one of the basic topic, that is the state of an object and types of motion also. So without any delay, let's move towards our topic. Basically, the state of an object is the position of any object with respect to the surrounding. Now, question arises that what mean by surrounding? It is a point of observation within a space considered as a reference point. That means what? This point of reference is present on the origin, three axes within a space. Now, an object can have only two states. One of them is rest condition and another one is motion. If an object is unable to change its position with respect to the surrounding with the passage of a time, then this condition is said to be in the rest condition. Like the table is unable to change its position, so it is in the rest condition. Similarly, if an object continuously changes its position with respect to the surrounding with the passage of a time, then this condition is said to be the motion. Just like a moving bus continuously changing its position with respect to surrounding. Now, let's move to the next topic, that is the types of motion. Basically, there are three types of motion. One of them is translatory motion, circulatory motion and vibratory motion. Translatory motion means motion on a single axis. It is divided further into three types of motion, that is linear motion, zigzag motion and random motion. Circulatory motion also have two types. One of them is rotatory motion and another one is spin motion. Like you can see here, Earth is being spin about its own axis and the satellites are continuously revolving around the Earth. Further, the state of an object is a relative property, not an absolute, because it depends upon the point of a reference. Whenever the state of an object is a relative property, then distance, speed, direction of motion, and type of motion is also said to be a relative quantity. That means what? All of these quantities also becomes relative. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.